What's up, YouTube? Harlan here with Money Mindset, and I'm going over my Toyota Prius that I bought. I bought it for $4,700 and paid cash, of course. It has 119,000 miles. I'm not sure if the battery's been replaced or anything like that. Let's see. It's a 2007. I bought it solely for the purpose of driving for Uber and Lyft, and so far it's been doing real well. No complaints. I had to change the oil once. Let's see. It came with these mats, these plastic mats, which are real good, especially for driving with Uber. A lot of people track in a bunch of unwanted stuff that you'll have to deal with. But let's see how many miles a gallon it gets on average. It has this nice screen right here. It's not too bright. I could fix the brightness, but I don't know if you could see it on the very bottom. It says 50.3 miles per gallon average, and I've been driving in the city quite a bit, mostly city. I'm not really too fond of the green color or the dashboard at all, but I bought this car as an investment. Bought it for $4,700, like I said, and so far, a month of driving for Uber and Lyft, I've made $1,600. That hasn't been taxed yet, of course, but yep, this is just another source of income. I've been doing this on the side when I'm off of work. Whenever I have time, I'm not too tired, I'll go out riding for Uber. But here it is, guys. Let me know what you guys think about ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft. Alright, thanks guys.